Hello and welcome to All for Shooters. Today we're going to test fire the PMXs from Beretta. This is the semi-auto civilian version of the PMX submachine gun, which is the heir of the PM12. And the difference between the PMX and the M12 is basically the fact that in the PM12, the bolt is fired from an open position, while the PMX, while being a selective fire gun, shoots from the closed bolt position. The PMXs has a 185 millimeter barrel, that's 7.2 inches, uses 20 round magazines, is chambered in 9 millimeter, and has a length of 650 millimeters with the stock extended and 428 millimeters with the stock closed, which makes it a very handy gun. Another interesting feature is the fact that the gun comes stock with 5 fixing points for the sling. The whole gun is built out of a polymer upper and lower that sports, of course, Picatinny rails on top, which is, by the way, made in aluminum, and on the sides and underneath the fore end. The fore end also comes with a hand stop that is included to avoid that the holding hand can get in front of the muzzle. The muzzle of the PMXs, as is the case of the military version, is threaded so that accessories such as a flash hider or a silencer can be mounted where allowed by law. The charging handle can be basically reversed on either side of the gun. Also, the controls, except for the hold open, are available on both sides of the gun. Included with the gun are 2 magazines and the backup iron sights, which are foldable and made by LPA. In this case, we also have a Steiner red dot, which is of course optional. The gun can be used in PCC matches or for defensive uses because of the double classification as a sports gun and as a pistol, thanks to the barrel that is 185 millimeter. But let's go and test the gun on the range. So, impressions in shooting the PMXs from Beretta. The gun has absolutely no muzzle flip. The trigger is really good. It's very smooth, breaks like glass. The accuracy is fantastic. As you saw, shooting the group at 25 meters is very, very small. We're talking about 3 to 4 centimeters in as many rounds as you want. The length of the gun for my physical complexion is absolutely perfect. Maybe it could be short for larger persons, but it's fantastic. The ergonomy of the grip and the placement of the controls is perfect in the sense that it's really ergonomic. It feels like an old friend. Shaking hands with an old friend is just the description I'd use. The MRS from Steiner is a very good red dot at the distances we've tested the gun. We shot the MPX at 25 and 50 meters. It's absolutely great at these distances. And all of the rest of the gun is very good. It feels good. It shoots well. The feedback is fantastic. And the stock is very sturdy. It has absolutely no play whatsoever. And actually, very, very nice gun. It's a great gun.